This video will help you with solving similar figures using indirect measurement. So looking at the first example, how high is a tree that casts a 26-foot shadow at the same time a 4-foot pole casts a shadow which is 3 feet long? So my first step is to create a picture. So I have the tree and its shadow makes a right triangle with the sun. I know that the shadow's length for the tree is 26 feet. At the same time, I know a 4-foot pole has a shadow that is 3 feet long. My job is to find the height of the tree. So I'm going to call that h. So let h equal the tree height. And I'm going to measure that in feet. So what happens here is I have a set of similar right triangles. So I can set up my proportions. So I could set up the height of the tree compared to the length of its shadow is equal to the height of the pole compared to its shadow. So I get h over 26 equals 4 over 3. Now solving that, I would use cross products. 3 times h equals 26 times 4. Multiply it out. So I get 3h equals 104. And I would divide by 3. And I get h equals 34 and 2/3 feet. Looking at our next example, they have the picture drawn for us this time. So the triangle is formed by the building's height and shadow. Another triangle is formed by a flagpole's height and shadow. And our job is to find the height of the building. And they already have it labeled for me, so I don't have to label it. So looking at my similar triangles, I can compare the height of the building to the length of its shadow. So x over 20 equals the height of the flagpole compared to the length of the flagpole shadow, which is 20 over 4. You could do cross products, or in this case, you could do scale factor. I would multiply 4 by 5 to get 20. So to find the value of x, I would multiply 20 by 5, and I get 100 feet. Looking at our next example, use similar triangles and a proportion to find the length of the lake shown. So it's a little hard to see, but there are 2 similar triangles here, so I'm going to outline them. The first big triangle I'm going to outline in green, and the inside smaller triangle I'm going to outline in red. So there are 2 similar triangles. They already have a label for me, so I don't have to have a left sentence. If I look at the big outside triangle, the distance across the lake N compared to the bottom side, which is 188, is equal to the corresponding ratio in the smaller triangle. The height of the smaller triangle is 24, and the length of the bottom edge of the triangle is 84. So there's my proportion. So I'm going to solve this one with cross products. So I do 188 times 42 equals 84 times m. Use my calculator to multiply them out. So I get 7,896 equals 84n. And now do my inverse, divide by 84. And I get n equals 94, and we label it meters. Hope this video helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.